Try a little clutch mod on this old hunk of junk right here. See if we can't stack that other friction plate and that other steel plate in there. Because I want to say, like, I think we were looking at like the 86 or something. So the 86 or whatever had 4 frictions and 3 steel plates. And then for whatever reason, on the 97 XR100, it's got 4 frictions and 3 steel plates. But on the 97 XR80, for whatever reason, it's only got 3 frictions and 2 steel plates. So since I have an extra friction and steel plate, figure might as well pull it off, pull the inner basket, what do they call it, inner clutch hub or whatever they call it, inner clutch basket off, see if we can't stack that other friction plate and steel plate on there and see what's up, see if it doesn't work out or not. First things first, drain all the nasty oil out of it. Yeah, I don't know, I'm not really like a pro or an expert or clutch expert or anything, but this is set up factory and got all that play. I think that's why when you hammer the clutch it goes clunk, clunk. Since I have an extra friction and steel, pull this circlip off, pull this pressure plate off and see what we got going on here. See if we can't stack that other one, make it a little better. Hopefully make it grip a little harder, something. Oh, and then I was looking at this and I gotta fix this thing right here too, because that thing's got play in it, and when I pull the clutch in you can see it flexing, and I feel like that's probably part of it. Maybe, I don't know. See what we can come up with. I don't know why I couldn't stack that one, because that's the stock clutch pack, and I've got all that room to play with. And I take my other steel plate and slap it on there, and I've still got plenty left over. Probably good to go, honestly. Probably make it grip better or hook up better or whatever, go faster. And I got an extra one stacked in there now. As long as this little baby snap ring or circlip or whatever you want to call it goes on there, I feel like I should be good. Slap it all back together, throw some oil in it, see if it works or not. Got another one stacked in there, so yeah, there's like no play now. A little bit, not too much though. I don't know, slap it back together and see what's up, see if it works or not. Trying to find a 12. It's like 13, 13, 13, 13. DJ, you don't ride KTMs no more. Need to start hoarding 12s now. So much for that idea. Try something a little different and see, like Davo was saying, try stacking 2 steel plates together and just to take some of that play out of it. I don't know. So now I'm gonna try pulling 1 friction out, adding 1 more steel plate, and then see what's up. I had to bend this little circlip, take some pliers and clamp her down, close that thing up a little bit, see if it doesn't fit in there a little better now. I don't know. Fill this bad boy up with oil. try it with that extra steel plate in there and see what's up. Probably burn the clutch up faster. But the clutch is only 20 bucks for this thing, so if I burn one up, I'll get another one. I think I'm gonna go full-time XR80 from now on, because I have just as much fun riding the XR80 as I do riding the KX250, and I could buy everything for this bike for a fraction of the price of what I can get it for that bike, and give me something to do too. So, and obviously can't go as fast on the XR80 as I could go on the 250, but I don't need to be going fast anymore because I can't afford to fall off anymore. Last time I fell off, it hurt. Well, not just the last time, but it hurt the most the last time. Still got up to take it for a little spin real quick. Probably just wasted hours of my life for nothing, but, well, guess you don't know if you don't try, so see what's up. Buckle up for safety. Chase the dog around. Oh, it grips. Pulls good. Almost looped it out. Blubbery on the bottom. basically took it apart, added another steel and another friction, and then there was like no clutch lever when I put it back together, so I took it back apart, stacked one more steel plate in there, which took some of the play out of it, because now I gotta have the clutch cable adjusted all the way to the top basically, but I've still got like, it still works like it should, so took a little bit of the play out of it though. Still grips good, took it and ripped it around, good grip and good times.